Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. Here we have an approved used Audi A6 Allroad. This vehicle features the 3-litre TDI 272 PS engine and the tronic gearbox. This vehicle is finished in Floret Silver, which is a metallic paint colour, and the vehicle features the upgraded 20-inch 5-parallel spoke design alloy wheels. The vehicle also features the LED headlights with high beam assist, privacy glass to the rear and rear side windows. The vehicle features cruise control, the upgraded bumpers, and this vehicle also features the aluminium roof rails and window trim. As we move towards the interior of the vehicle, you will see the 3-spoke multifunction full leather steering wheel with the gear shift paddles. The display in front of the driver is also a digital display in between the 2 speedometer measures, and on this screen is displayed the navigation system. The vehicle also features the MMI display, which features Parking Systems Plus with the rear and front sensors, which are visible sensors. Also on this screen is the MMI navigation system, which due to the technology package included, this is the MMI Navigation Plus. The vehicle also features the Audi Connect and the Audi Drive Select, and the driver can choose between all-road efficiency, comfort, automatic, dynamic or individual. The vehicle also features the dual-zone deluxe climate control with front heated seats, and that means that the driver and passenger can choose their exact preference on temperature. This is also a quattro Audi model, meaning it has the 4-wheel drive, and this vehicle features the Audi phone box. The seats on this vehicle are the front sport seats, and they are finished in the leather and Alcantara mix. The seats are also fully electrically adjustable with 4-way lumbar support. For more information on this approved used Audi A6, please give us a call here at Stoke Audi on 01782 488 205. Thank you for watching.